Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Ace Beaute Classical Paradise eyeshadow palette. I have a review up of the Blossom Passion palette already and I was very disappointed in it. So that palette kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. So I tried to go into this video with a non-biased view, which was pretty hard. I do think this palette performs better than the Blossom palette. However, I still see the same issues with the deeper shades. They're just not great when you want to layer them. If you want to use them by themselves, then they're good, but that's just not how I like to use products, and I don't want to have to go around the way I usually use products to appeal to this formula. The shimmers are really beautiful. I had no trouble in this palette with the shimmers. The mattes were just pigmented, but they're very dry and powdery. It takes some blending. Just like I said about the Blossom Passion palette, I do not think these palettes are worth $35. I know some people love these palettes, and I also know some people that also had trouble with these palettes, so it's kind of like a hit or miss. I don't know if it's me and how I use them, but I would say purchase these with caution.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to run my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer.
All in all, I am pretty happy with the way these looks came out. I did have some issues with the shade Soil in the outer crease looking a little patchy. But other than that, the shimmers are really nice. And overall, I do love the color combination in this palette. It's a little bit grungy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.